The Ministry of External Affairs in India introduced new passport rules that would simplify the application process and enhance security by 2025. To preserve privacy, residential addresses will no longer be printed on the passport's final page. No residential information on the last page. To enhance privacy, residential addresses will no longer be printed on the last page of the passport. Instead, immigration authorities will retrieve necessary details through a barcode scan. New color codes for passport. Passports now come with updated color coding to easily differentiate holders. Red, diplomatic passport holders; white, government officials; blue, immigration check required and immigration check not required holders. No parent names on the passport. Parent names will no longer be printed on the last page of the passport, ensuring greater privacy, especially for children of single parents or those from estranged families. Online police verification process. The verification process is now online through the crime and criminal tracking network and systems, making it faster and more efficient. Substitutes for birth certificates. Applicants can now submit alternative documents instead of birth certificate, including Aadhaar card, voter ID, PAN card, driving license, school leaving certificate. Life insurance policy. The passport application process is made more accessible. The required annexes have been reduced and attestation of self-declaration forms is no longer required. Applicants who are married or divorced do not need to submit a marriage certificate or mention the name of their spouse. Government employees can submit a self-declaration form for urgent passport obtaining, simplifying the process. These new rules aim to expedite and secure passport obtaining. For more details, visit the official MEA website or contact the nearest passport office. Stay informed and prepared.
For more updates, subscribe to our YouTube channel TSW News. News that reveal the truth.